Removing a family member from your PS4 account.
Hello, PlayStation 4 users. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of removing a family member from your PS4 account. This can be useful when you want to manage your family settings or when someone no longer needs access to your PS4.
Why would you want to remove a family member?
Sometimes, you might want to clean up your PS4 account. You may have had family members added who no longer use the PS4, or you may want to limit access for a certain member. That's when you'd need to remove a family member from your PS4 account.
What do you need before starting?
Before you start, make sure you are logged in to the Family Manager account. The Family Manager is the primary account holder who has the permissions to make changes to the family management settings on the PS4.
How to remove a family member from your PS4 account.
Let's dive into the process. Follow these steps. 1. From your PS4 home screen, navigate to Settings. 2. Scroll down and select Parental Controls, Family Management. 3. Now, select Family Management. You may need to enter your account password to proceed. 4. In the new screen, you will see a list of all family members. Select the family member you wish to remove. 5. On the bottom of the screen, you should see an option to remove from your family. Select it. 6. Confirm your decision by selecting OK. Remember, this action cannot be undone.
What happens after you remove a family member?
After you've successfully removed a family member, they will no longer have access to your PS4 as a member of your family. This means they won't be able to play games or use applications that you've restricted for your family members. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove a family member from your PS4 account. Remember, only the Family Manager can perform this action. Always be sure about your decision, as this process can't be undone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful PS4 tips.